Now we have decided at Taig to make a new video about the disassembly and reassembly of the 3-jaw chuck. And in this video we're going to include the 4-jaw self-centering chuck. So let's start with the 3-jaw. The snap ring that holds it together has two sides. It has a soft beveled side and it has a kind of a rough side where it was stamped out. When we reassemble this, we want to make sure that the soft, nice curved side right here sits down on the scroll back. That'll make for a nice smooth operation. Let's go ahead and take it apart. Okay, we have the chuck body, we have the scroll, and we have the jaws. Now, as we stated before in our other video, the lead on this scroll is 198 thousandths. If we divide that by 3, we get 0.066 thousandths, which means there's a 66 thousandths difference in these jaws. And here's how we do that. This time we're going to have all smile faces. All smile faces. This way we have a sad face. This way we have smile faces. Let's take all smile faces. And here is the smallest one on top right here. And the medium right here. And then the largest is right here. This is going to be number 1, number 2, and number 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now the reason for this is when we machine these, we locate everything off of this side. This surface right here is where everything is located in the fixture in the CNC machine. So that means that this is 66 thousandths more than this, and this is 66 thousandths more than this. Now when we assemble it, we're going to hold it in our hand so we could see it. This tree pan area right in here is going to be facing us, and any of these slots can be number 1. It really doesn't matter. Any of them can be number 1. We're going to make this one number 1 right now, right here. So we put the jaw in, and here's jaw number 2. Notice we're going in a clockwise rotation. And here's jaw number 3. And we'll put them all together. And we could put our scroll on top, and we'll just roll it around, and it'll fall right into place, all on its own. So one full turn, like so, that means each jaw has moved 198 thousandths. Now let's move on to the 4-jaw. Here's the 4-jaw self-centering chuck. We're going to take it apart. There we go. Here we have the chuck body. Here we have the scroll. The scroll is the same as the 3-jaw. Now here we have all smile faces. All smile faces once again. And let's find the smallest one right here up on top. And here's the next. And here's the next. And here's the next. Once again, when these are machined, this is the surface that they're located off of. And then they're machined. So now we have number 1, we have number 2, we have number 3, and now we have number 4. Now if we take the 198 and we divide it by 4, we get 49.5 thousandths difference for each one. Once again, any of these jaws can be number 1. Let's just pick this one right here. Here's number 1. Here's number 2. Here's number 3. And number 4. Now in this case, what I'm going to do to help put it together is I'm going to take some rubber bands and I'm going to put these on here just like so. And I'm going to fix it so we have a nice little square just like that. Just make it easier. Now when I put the scroll on, once again, just going to roll it around and there it goes.